Hello, welcome again to Mr. P.A. Reads Aloud. Today I have a really fun story for you, and it's about mouse school. And it's called This Is Not a Cat by David LaRochelle, illustrated by Mike Wanutka. This is not a cat. There they go, getting ready to go to mouse school. Ding, ding. Okay, class, okay, settle down. Here we go. Today's lesson is recognizing danger, okay? Okay, now, this is a cat. Now, we don't like cats, do we? Cats are bad. They eat us, right? Okay. All right, get ready now. Here's the next picture. Okay. All right. This is not a cat. Okay, tell me what that is. What is it? A bunny? Yeah. Bunnies are good, aren't they? Yeah, we like bunnies. Okay. Okay, now pay attention. Okay? Okay, pay attention. All right. Now, this is not a cat. Okay, tell me what that is. Yeah, butterfly. Butterflies are sweet, aren't they? They're pretty and they fly around. We like those, don't we? Okay. Okay, next picture. You get ready? Okay. Okay. This is not a cat. Okay. Alright, what is that? Yes, ice cream. Ice cream's good, isn't it? I love ice cream. You too? Okay. Good. Next picture. Okay. Okay, get ready now. Okay. This is not a... Oh. Okay. Okay, class. Is this a cat? Okay. This is a cat. Right there. Okay. It's a cat. Oh, it's a cat! A cat! A cat! A cat! A cat! Cat! Run! Go! Woo! A cat? Is this really a cat? This is not a cat. But this is a cat. Oh! Help! The